guys, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing great. So today I'm making my video upstairs because I got late and everyone's because of the background noise. I thought that I should come up, so I'm upstairs and I'm making video and holding my phone as well. There is no system here to keep my phone, but still I'm thinking to make a video because of some people. They requested me to make a video about tips and tricks, and is it really important to learn English translation. I think if you are if you want to translate Hindi to English and English to Hindi, you can in beginning time, but it is not necessary if you understand basic English. So it's important to just learn the things English to English, because it will help you to develop the habit of thinking in English, because most of the people suffer to develop the habit of thinking English because of the translation. It is the big issue. So I think everyone's learned from translation. There is no big issue to learn by practicing translation. So I would say one thing, that just if you are a very beginner and you don't understand any sentence basic, so you should go with translation. It will really help you to make comprehension in this language easily. And when it comes to me, I also learn from translation, Hindi to English, English to Hindi, and that's where I learned. It helped me a lot. And but what I think, we should do it because we learn this language by Hindi, right? It's our mother tongue, so we learn it. So there's no problem at all if you are doing it. So there's no big issue at all. And I also do it. There's no problem. But sometimes whenever I am unable to understand the words, so I go with the Hindi. There is no problem. But the problems come when we are totally depend on translation. This is the video, and it is very cold, and I am feeling it's chilly little bit. Although it's like sunlight here, but the wind is very cold. It's chilly. So it's cold, windy today. And on the other hand, I would say that I like to translate a translation, but I'm not totally dependent on translation, because there are some sentences I easily understand it. So we should not go with translation. It's not necessary. And for beginner it's important to make a comprehension in this language. They can go with the translation. And tips and tricks, so just do practice every day and read more as much as you can. Just read stories, comics, books, that will really help you. And watch some content on YouTube, whatever you like, and watch cartoon as much as possible. And practice. This is the main solution. This is the one solution that will help you only. And I also did this thing: practice, and be consistent. Consistency very important. And you can see that whatever happened with me, even though sometimes some other days I got fever, and lots of things happen in my life, but I never skip any day without practicing. I was very consistent. Be consistent. I didn't gap any day without practicing. And that's how you can see the result, because being consistent is very hard, difficult. It's like very big deal. Doing the same thing every day, it becomes sometime boring. But if you tolerate it, that from where you started to improve, you start to improve. So for that, you have to put your efforts, and you have to take a risk. And without practicing, only saying tips and tricks and knowing these things won't help you, to be honest. Generally, I'll say that only just knowing about tips and tricks, not doing practically, that will not help you at all. So just make sure you do practice every day. And thank you so much for watching me till the end. And now I'm going to close this video. Bye bye.